All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Jeep Renegade. It is the limited edition two-wheel drive, beautiful black with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, roof racks, alloy wheels, fog lights. Super nice, only 24,000 miles in this beauty. Best of all, minimum damage around the body. Front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's rim. I don't see any curbing on this, and your tire thread is at about 930 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. In this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's side rim. I don't see any curbing here. And your tire thread is at 830 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Is a powered seat, as you can see. Real quick. Does come with one key key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your AC controls right down below. Does it have heated seats? It does have heated seats, boom, and heated steering. That's pretty cool. You have steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for tire pressure. And I need some gas. I'll be putting that in later. And backup camera, boom. Pretty much completes the tour. Looks good. Turn the lights, the fog lights running. Keep it moving. Here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. And that armrest does fold up and used as another seat. Your rear bumper looks good. Your deck lid looks good. This is what your trunk space looks like. Pretty nice. There is a spare tire here. Boom, with some tools. And I did tuck away your owner's manuals right there. Alright, this quarter looks nice. Here's your rear passenger side rim. Does have some curbing right here. I'll say about 6 to 7 inches. Tire thread is at around 630 seconds. This door looks okay. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. I'm sorry, that's your rear. The other side of the rear passenger. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat now, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Does have some curbing, a couple of spots. Tire thread is at 930 seconds. It's got a chunk missing there, a gouge on that. All right, folks. Lights are working, cars running fine. Folks, once again, this is a 2016 Jeep Renegade limited edition with the 24,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.